Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Popeye telephone. This is Ryan's equipment from Indiana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now these are highly collectible, they're very sought after, and they're pretty rare, and they're a very cool telephone. Now we have a note with this unit, and Ryan wants to turn this telephone into a touch tone telephone because Popeye only dials out in the pulse mode. We will be converting Popeye so that he dials out in the touch tone mode. We'll also be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the conversion to this really cool Popeye telephone. And these units dial out in the pulse mode. And Ryan wanted this Popeye telephone to dial out in the touch tone mode. And we are finished up with that conversion. So we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected to the main PC board so that we can hear the audio of this Popeye telephone in our final checkout. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, May 24th. The current time, 8:51 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. give you some dial tone, and we'll make that call. Now that we know that this really cool Popeye telephone has been converted, we can return him to Ryan and he can enjoy this Popeye telephone. I'm sure Popeye's going to look great no matter where he's used. And like we mentioned earlier, Popeye is highly collectible, he's very sought after, and these Popeye telephones are pretty rare. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.